Think AI automation is only for tech geniuses? Think again. In this video, I'll show you exactly how anyone, even with zero coding skills, can start automating their life and business with AI in 2025. We'll cover what tools to use, how to set them up, and what to automate first for instant results. AI automation is using artificial intelligence to perform repetitive tasks without you having to lift a finger. Think, sending emails, scheduling meetings, replying to messages, creating content, all handled by AI tools while you focus on what really matters. Here are the top beginner-friendly tools that do most of the heavy lifting. ChatGPT Pro. Text-based tasks like writing, summarizing, and replying. Zapier or Make.com. No-code automation between your favorite apps. Trello or Notion plus AI-assisted planning and task management. Go high-level, CRM, SMS, forms, funnels, and email automation. TidyCal, Calendly, AI auto-scheduling, and calendar syncing. Most of these tools have free versions to get started. Start simple. Automate stuff you already do regularly, like new lead follow-up, appointment reminders, weekly social media posts, recurring client emails, and invoice generation. One task automated equals hours saved every month. Here's a peek at my own automation flow as a content creator and business owner. ChatGPT drafts email replies, which are then saved in Gmail. Zapier connects Typeform to my CRM and sends a thank you SMS. Calendly, AI syncs my calendar and auto-blocks focus hours. Go High Level handles nurture campaigns and lead scoring. This is all running while I sleep, and it's scalable. It's not all sunshine. Some common beginner mistakes to avoid: automating before understanding the process, relying too heavily on AI-generated content, and skipping reviews. AI can make bad assumptions. This video's just the beginning. Watch the next one in the series, I Automated My Business with AI. Here's what happened. Like, subscribe, and drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to start automating today.